Hello. Today, we're diving into a topic that's everywhere in the news, but often misunderstood. Artificial intelligence, or AI. In this video, we'll strip away the hype and explore what AI really is, where it came from, and how it actually works in our lives. At its heart, AI is a branch of computer science, dedicated to building systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. It's important to clarify, AI isn't about creating human consciousness. It's about simulating intelligence to solve specific problems. The story begins in the 1940s and 50s, with pioneers like Alan Turing, who wondered if machines could ever truly think. He proposed the Turing test. If a machine could converse so naturally that a human couldn't tell it was a machine, it had passed a milestone. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially born at a workshop at Dartmouth College. The founders were incredibly optimistic. They believed that within a single generation, the problem of creating artificial intelligence would be substantially solved. But reality was harder than they thought. When progress stalled, interest and funding disappeared, leading to the first AI winter in the 1970s. In the 1980s, AI had a mini revival with expert systems, programs that used hard-coded rules to mimic the decision-making of human experts. However, these systems were rigid and expensive to maintain, leading to a second, even deeper AI winter that lasted through the early 90s. The real breakthrough came when we stopped trying to program every rule and instead taught computers to learn patterns directly from data. This shift in machine learning was powered by two things: the explosion of the internet, which provided massive data, and vastly more powerful computers. By the 2010s, deep learning emerged. These systems use neural networks, mathematical layers inspired by how neurons in the brain work. This led to incredible milestones, like AI mastering the complex game of Go, which many thought was decades away. And that brings us to today, the era of generative AI. Now, models like ChatGPT can generate text, art, and even code that feels remarkably human. But how does it do it? It's not magic, it's probability. These models have studied billions of examples to predict what comes next in a sequence. It's a powerful tool for pattern recognition and content generation, but it doesn't understand the world the way you and I do. Because it predicts based on past data, AI can make confident-sounding mistakes, sometimes called hallucinations. It can also reflect the biases of the humans who created the data it learned from, which can lead to unfair or skewed results. Despite these risks, AI is already incredibly useful. Every time you use a map to find the fastest route, AI is working behind the scenes. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier and assisting scientists in discovering new materials and medicines. It's in your email spam filter, your shopping recommendations, and the tools that help translate languages instantly across the globe. So, why does all this matter? Because AI is becoming the new electricity, a foundational technology that will touch almost every part of our lives. Our goal in this series is to help you understand AI wisely, to see the opportunities, recognize the risks, and move past the hype. This is just the first step. We're going to explore this technology together, one grounded explanation at a time. Thanks for watching this introduction. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next part of our series on understanding AI. Goodbye for now.